There's a sneaky method I use to piggyback off viral trends using AI to grow my list fast. Like 500 new subscribers in 48 hours, kind of fast. And this trick doesn't require a huge following or a content team, just smart timing, a trend, and one specific AI prompt I'll give you today. Okay, this really happened. One of my subscribers, Matty, used this same play not long ago. AI flagged a rising trend in sustainable side hustles. He asked for ways to tie it to his list building freebie. The AI gave him a fresh angle he posted at the trend's peak. Boom! 500 new people joined his list in 2 days. No ad spend, no frantic content sprint, no magic wand, just the right content at the right time with the right twist. And that's the power we're digging into today. See, most creators flood their feed with reactive posts. They're playing catch up. They see something trending, then scramble to write about it. By the time their content drops, the conversation's already moved on. That's dead content. It looks alive, but it's too late to matter. The smart move? You position yourself just ahead of the curve. Now, here's the setup. AI isn't just a writing tool, it's your radar. I use it to scan rising hashtags, keywords, even micro trends just starting to spark across platforms. Not just Twitter, not just TikTok, everywhere. I'll prompt, show me what's gaining velocity in my niche. Not what's viral, but what's about to pop. Totally different targets. Then I ask a second question. And this is the killer move. Give me three unique ways to tie this trend into my existing offer without sounding like a click chasing leech. The AI turns into a strategist, not just a scriptwriter. Why is that important? Because if your connection to the trend looks shoehorned or worse, desperate, people tune it out instantly. You're not trying to ride the coattails of a trend. You're trying to extend its runway in a way that makes your audience say, huh, I hadn't thought about it that way. That creates attention, the good kind. When Matty did this with the sustainable side hustles trend, he didn't just say, hey, here's my lead magnet on making side income. That's bland. AI helped him flip the angle. He reframed it as how to grow your audience and side hustle without burning more energy, time, or your Sunday afternoons. It connected, it aligned with the trend's values. So people clicked. You're not forcing relevance, you're surfacing it. Now let's talk timing. This is where most people blow it. They wait, they tinker, they doubt themselves. And by the time they finally post, the opportunity has cooled off. If you want the numbers, you move fast. This is a viral window, not a window seat. Speed matters more than polish. Always. And yes, AI can help you write faster. Draft something rough. Ask AI, how can I sharpen this to reflect my voice and stand out from every generic take on this topic? Then move. You don't need a perfect post. You need a precise one sent while the attention clock is ticking. But here's the mistake people make. They see the trend. They write a post. It flops. They think, well, that didn't work. What they should be doing is testing 5 versions of the same post with different angles, different stories, different hooks. Let the data decide which one sticks. That's exactly what I do. I find a resonant theme, then ask AI, give me 5 alternate takes, each focused on a different emotional trigger. One might lean into urgency. One might be inspirational, another might use a surprising stat. Then I see which one bites and I push that angle harder. This is how you extract every drop of value from a single trend. You don't just touch it and move on. You mine it, you multiply what works. And you can apply this to YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, email, whatever channel your audience actually shows up on. Just tweak the format, not the message. Now let's pull this together. First, set up AI to track trends before they're obvious. You're looking for signals, not spotlights. Then, for each trend, brainstorm how it could honestly connect to your existing offer. Ask for angles that feel like an aha, not an ad. Then act fast, draft, refine, post. Finally, spin variations and test which one hits hardest. That's the 4 part loop: track, link, ship, scale. This loop alone could double your visibility without doubling your workload. You don't need to post more, you just need to make smarter bets and stack the odds in your favor with tools that don't sleep. And the truth is, this isn't just about trends, it's about building a system that feeds your audience exactly what they're curious about at the moment they're already paying attention. You're not chasing traffic, you're aligning with it before it even lands. This is one of the many systems I unpack in my book, AI List Launch. If you want to go deeper into harnessing AI to build, grow, and scale your list without getting burned out or stuck in content chaos, There's a link in the description. Inside, I'll show you how to use AI to find collaborations without sending 100 cold DMs, how to scale a single winning post into a multi platform funnel, and how to move quickly without burning out. It's everything I've learned from building audiences across markets, all without selling out or spamming. So, if this one tip gave you ideas, imagine what the full system will do. Check out the link in the description for the full book AI List Launch, and I'll see you on the other side. And hey, if you want more behind the scenes playbooks for building your audience with AI, subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot more coming your way.